The Blackberry Evolvex and Evolve have been launched in India by licensee brand Optimus Infracom. The company announced that the two handsets have been conceptualized, designed and manufactured in India. Here's our first look at both devices. The Evolve X and the Evolve both run on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box and sport a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus Full View LCD display. They both have an 18:9 aspect ratio, a max brightness of 500 nits, and an oleophobic coating. The Evolve X is powered by a 64-bit octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 SoC coupled with 6GB of RAM. Onboard storage is capped at 64GB, but this is expandable via microSD card. On the other hand, the Evolve is powered by a Snapdragon 450 SoC and is paired with 4GB of RAM. Internal storage of the Evolve is capped at 64GB too, which is also expandable via microSD card. The Evolve X sports a dual rear camera setup with a 12-megapixel primary sensor and a 13-megapixel secondary sensor with a 6p lens and dual-tone LED flash. On the other hand, the Evolve has a dual rear camera setup with two 13-megapixel sensors that come with RGB plus mono mode and a dual-tone LED flash. Both phones share camera features including refocus mode, 4x autofocus and slow motion video. On the front, both bear a 16-megapixel fixed focus sensor with real-time bokeh mode and an LED flash. There is a 4000 mAh battery under the hood, once again for both. Wireless charging is only supported by the Evolve X, and a wireless charger will be sold separately for it. Both smartphones have a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor with a claimed unlock time of 0.3 seconds and are also the first smartphones from the Blackberry brand to have face unlock capabilities with a claimed unlock time of 0.4 seconds. The Evolve and Evolve X come with Blackberry Power Center app that uses deep learning to analyze your usage and optimize battery settings. It also lets you modify RAM allocation for each app and create custom battery profiles. Both handsets feature built-in Dolby audio. However, the Evolve X supports an advanced Dolby Atmos technology. The new Blackberry Hub brings together all communication apps such as Facebook and Twitter into a single app to help you navigate through your social accounts. Security features include Blackberry Password Keeper app that helps secure your passwords in a vault and also helps in creating new secure passwords. The Privacy Shade feature helps reduce visible screen size to the area which you are accessing. Root protection is also available with OS hardening. The Evolve X price in India has been set at 34,990 rupees and the Evolve has been priced at 24,990 rupees. The Evolve X will go on sale starting mid-September while the Evolve by the end of August. Both will be made available in India initially via Amazon.in and subsequently via offline retailers. Launch offers also include 5% cashback with an ICICI Bank credit card and no-cost EMI plans. Other than that, no-cost EMI plans are also available from all leading banks. Benefits worth 3,950 rupees are available for Jio SIM card users. So this is a quick first look at the new Blackberry Evolve X and Evolve smartphones. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.